Hi, I'm David Knight, and this is a quick video to introduce you to my website, Dave's Slider Puzzle for Coders. If you are watching this video before visiting the website, you will find a link to the website in the description below. If you are here, it is probably because you are a coder looking for a new challenge. I am hoping you will find this website a fun way to sharpen your problem-solving skills. I'll bet you can tell that this is not my real voice. I am using a text-to-speech generator because I can't walk and chew gum at the same time. Ha ha ha. Attempt at humor complete. Before you can code a program to solve a puzzle, you will need to learn how to solve the puzzle yourself. That is what this page is for, learning to solve a slider puzzle. Here is a 5x5 puzzle that you should learn to solve before you can code a program to solve the puzzle. Let me tell you how it works. First, there is a shuffle button that you can use to start a new attempt. Next to the shuffle button is the move counter. I can usually solve a puzzle in 225 moves or less, but I have been doing it for a while. Next to the move count is a for coders button. When you are confident that you can solve the puzzle, use this button to begin the challenge. The red video button is a link to this video. The goal of the slider puzzle is to move the tiles around until they number 1 through 24, left to right, top to bottom, with the blank tile at the lower right-hand corner of the puzzle. Along the way you will notice that tiles that are in the right place are colored blue. The way to move the tiles is to first find the blank tile. You can select any tile in the same row or column as the blank tile. All of the tiles between the one you select and the empty space will shift over to fill the empty space. Do this over and over again until the puzzle is solved. There is a strategy, but part of the challenge is for you to figure that out. Now let's say you are confident that you know how to solve the slider puzzle. It's time to click the For Coders button and switch to the programmer's interface. On this page you will see a control panel on top and two text boxes full of numbers below. The left-hand box contains a CSV representation of the puzzle grid. The right-hand box contains a sample CSV that will solve the first row of the puzzle. You can use the animation buttons above to bring the moves to life. Watch this carefully as you may be able to pick up some strategy. Your mission, Jim, should you choose to accept it, is to create a program that can solve this and other 10x10 slider puzzles. You can code your solution using whatever tools you like on your own computer. The action is simple. You will copy the left-hand text box to the clipboard. I would think your program would have a text box where you can paste in the CSV. Your program will convert the CSV into an in-memory representation of the puzzle and attempt to solve it. When your program is done, it should spit out a CSV of the solution. You will copy the solution and paste it into the moves text box on the website. Make sure to delete the sample moves first. You can now use the controls above to animate your moves and watch your solution play out. This is the solution that my C# program came up with. My program can solve this puzzle in 1,780 moves. As your first goal, try to beat that. That's the end of the demo. Don't forget to like the video, and if you know someone who would enjoy this, please share. Finally, please use the comments below to ask questions, offer suggestions, or just chat it up. Bye for now.